Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.
Welcome to episode 13 of Dance Simplified. Today we'll learn to do the SpongeBob dance. Stand straight, shoulder width apart. Hop to the right side and lift your left leg up simultaneously. 1. Your left foot should go behind your right leg. Let's do it again. 1. Now raise your right foot into the air while standing on your left foot. 2. Hop to the right side with your left foot while simultaneously lifting your right leg up. 3. Stand with your right leg and bring your left foot in the air. 4. And repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's speed it up a bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's learn to use your hands as well. In your first jump, cross your arms. 1. In your second jump, open it like this. 2. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can add any variation you want. For example, let's practice your hand steps first. Make a stop sign with right hand to the side like this. 1. And swing it down. 2. Now do the stop sign with the other hand. 3. And swing it again. 4. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's add it with our footwork shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's do it with the music.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to know more moves of hip hop dance as a beginner, please click here. Keep learning, keep dancing.